I come to the beach early part of the morning, around 5:30. When I come, there is no one in the beach. I'm the single person walking up and down for a long time. During the lockdown, I was the only person when I was walking in the beach. Something which I really enjoy when I'm alone in the beach, walking about 6-7 miles up and down, barefoot. I hear the sound of the waves. When I hear the sound of the waves, I listen to them. I try to understand the rhythm of the waves, what the waves talking, the sound of the waves, the message of the waves. There is a rhythm in the waves, in the sea. When it is coupled with the wind, the rhythm becomes very sometimes soothing and sometimes very aggressive. And I enjoy listening to the sound of the waves. This reminds me that we all like to listen, but there's a difference between listening and hearing. Listening is a very passive thing, but hearing is very active. When you come to hearing, you have to be a bit more engaged. Listening, you listen to everything and everything. But to hear, you need to be a bit more focused. And that's where sometimes when a mother hears the voice of the child, sound of the child, or the voice of the child, it's different. When father hears the voice of the son, it's different. When the student hears the voice of the teacher, it's different. When the slave hears the voice of the master, it's different. Sometimes these voices and sounds we take in for granted. We need to make sure that we go beyond listening, but to hear. If you hear, then you will understand. You will understand to do something, to be proactive. Sometimes inactive, passive listening make you reactive to things around you. But if you are properly hearing, you can move into be a proactive person. And then you can take some clear decisions for action. You and I should not be a lonely voice somewhere in the corner of a desert. But our voice has to be heard. In the same way, you need to listen and hear others. And when you hear others, you need to understand what that sound talks to you. And if you hear properly, if you understand it, then you are ready for action that will be an impact for the people around you all the time.